Each of us has the potential to look like a real winner or kind of like a loser. Hello. So I'm going to talk about tips for taking. Hello, Dale Majors here, and welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, click the notification button, the bell, and you will receive a notification Monday through Friday as I release videos all geared to help you become more action-oriented. So I want to talk today about strengths and some specific things that you can do to better utilize your strengths. We're going to talk about 5 things specifically. Like I said in the intro, we all have the potential to be real winners. And I've had a lot of situations in my life where I have felt like $1 million, where I've really felt like all of my skills and talents were being utilized. And I've had others where I was like the slacker, or where I just really didn't feel good. You know, I was an intern at a trade show in Vegas once, and it was just a horrible experience. And I was like one of the worst ones. Okay, it didn't really allow me to utilize my strengths. I still should have done better. It wasn't an excuse, but the point is that all of us have the potential, based on how we use our strengths, to really win and be awesome, or not be so awesome. Okay, the point is we need to be really clear about what our strengths are and what our weaknesses are. So tip 2, when you think about your strengths and weaknesses, I want you to highlight those strengths. You need to acknowledge the weaknesses, but the focus and the spotlight should be on those strengths. Don't focus on the things that you're not good at, but really focus and develop the things that you're really good at. So 3 is focus on doing what you're good at rather than doing what you're capable of. A lot of us may be in jobs or positions that we can do okay, but they're not really utilizing our strengths. And there are a lot of excuses why people stay in jobs, and plenty of them are great excuses. They stay in jobs that aren't utilizing their strengths or their skills. But if that's going to be you, at least recognize it and go and try to use and use your strengths elsewhere. 4, talk to people that know you well, and they can help you highlight what those strengths are. So go to your best friend, go to your siblings, your parents, or whoever you have that's really close to you, your spouse, and ask them, hey, what is it that I do really well? And then just listen. There are things that you may hear that you didn't really recognize. A lot of times, and here's the tip, a lot of us really undervalue and don't recognize the things that we're good at. So step 5 to learn and recognize more of your strengths is to think back to a time when you really performed at a high level, when you really felt like a winner, and identify what those conditions were to have you be a winner, and then what you actually did in that situation to be awesome. For me, and I've talked about it a few times on the channel, I used to go to different bike swaps, and I used to buy bike parts, big deals, you know, closeout lists, or, you know, excess inventory from Asia or wherever. And what I actually did there was I was really good at seeing value that other people didn't see. I was good at negotiating deals. I was good at the relationship side and gaining and building trust with people. Those were the things that I did. So I really try not to get jobs that don't need those elements, because those are the things that for me don't really feel like work. The conclusion, the takeaway, is to know your strengths, focus on them, and recognize the weaknesses and be completely okay with them, but you're not going to shine the spotlight there. Okay? So good luck, go out and exercise and build upon your strengths and your talents, and life will be awesome. So like, subscribe, comment below. I'd love to hear if you've ever had a change where you've gone from focusing on your weaknesses to putting yourself into something where you could focus on your strengths. How was that for you? Thank you for being here, and we will see you next time.